or doing rest.
लादो फोन लाइला लालो कबूतर बाबू लादो बाबू लादो बाबू लादो बाबू फोन फोन
में डांस कर नांग नांग में डांस कर नहीं हो गया
अगला वो
किसी इतना मजाक मत हमें आप हरा करो और फिर क्या डांस कर पता नहीं क्या कर रहे थे मैं वीडियो दिखा दूं
वो मेरे
बेटा
मैं मना कर रहा हूँ उसकी बात पे पगला हो
इधर भी तो वो था वो भी नहीं मानो
जैसी बातें करता
वो
हो
मंदिर बना वो भी नहीं मानोगे तुम उधर रियाद में तो मंदिर बनाया
वो नहीं चला वो
Hello, it's starting of the class. Start कर देते हैं. Like we should not wait more further. Because this will cut in half, like 40, half an hour only, so that like we should do it. Hello, guys, can you mute yourself? Okay. Am I audible to you? Let me know. I'm sharing my screen also. So I tried running the calculator thing and it works fine. So let us work on the back end now. Okay, so till now what we have done, like let's see an overview first so that we can move forward. So we have to build a calculator app. So there was a screen, there was a different panel of 4x4 grid, there were 3 separate buttons. So until this point we have made our JFrame, made our text screen panel, text field panel, made it all our buttons, had them arranged in an array.
हेलो सर.
हेलो, या
सर मतलब ये जो सेशन है 8 to 10, इसमें हम न्यू प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस करेंगे या फिर इसी प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में अभी चलेगा?
देखो ये जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. तो उसमें टाइम का मतलब उन्होंने कैसे किया था कि जैसे कि 3 to 5 है, 8 to 10 है, अगर इसमें अंदर होना ही चाहिए खत्म, मतलब कंपलसरी, पहले हो जाए तो कोई बात नहीं. जैसे कि आज 9 तक हो जाएगा रैप अप, तो कंपलसरी नहीं है 10 तक जाना.
और बट सर नहीं, ये कैलकुलेटर आई थिंक पूरा हो गया ना?
नहीं, इसमें लॉजिक नहीं लिखा ना अभी हमने कि एडिशन कैसे होगा, सब्ट्रैक्शन कैसे होगा, उसके लिए लॉजिक लिखना पड़ेगा ना. अभी तो
काम कर रहा है, वैसे तो काम कर रहा है, जाके देखा वैसे तो वर्क.
हाँ, वैसे काम मतलब क्या करेगा, आप तुम बटन्स क्लिक कर लोगे बट लाइक उसमें वो नहीं चल पाएंगे, प्लस माइनस ऑपरेटर्स इक्वल टू, वो चीज नहीं चल पाएंगे.
जैसे हम मतलब 1 प्लस कर रहे हैं उसके बाद प्लस 1 प्लस ऐसे कर रहे हैं तो नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ, तो वो उसके लिए फंक्शनलिटीज ऐड करनी पड़ेगी ना हमें. हमने तो खाली अभी सिर्फ स्क्रीन बनाई है, उस पे बटन्स लगाए हैं, एंड जो बटन हम दबाएंगे वो स्क्रीन पे आ जाएगा. अभी तक हमने इतना किया है.
ठीक है.
Okay, so until this point we have discussed this. Okay, so there was an array, there were 2 types of buttons: functional buttons, there are addition button, subtraction button, division button, multiplication button. So 9 functional button and 10 numeric buttons. Okay, so we have put them on the screen. We have make sure whenever I press a button, that button occurs on the screen. We have set it the fonts, colors. Now it's turn to provide the logic. Okay, provide the logic for all the buttons, and like how should the answer be represented on the screen. So if anyone has no problems whatsoever what we have done till now, you can let me know so that we can move forward, or like we can discuss that point if anyone has having any doubts until this point. No doubts.
Sir, line number 67 sir.
Wait a second, line number 67
उसको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए, मतलब what is the meaning of that particular line?
So meaning of this particular line is like that. Okay. So action listener is like if I press like this is my calculator. Okay. These are my buttons. Let's take two button only, one and two. Okay. So when I press this button with my help of my mouse, so action listener is invoked, and whatever the button is pressed, I button that is I am getting from here. I should know now if I pressed one should be represented on this string. It's in this like text field, so that action listener helps me listen to the action I have performed on the screen and takes the value from it. Okay.
And what the meaning of this in that? Can we write something else?
This is nothing but a constructor, action listener's constructor that I have called this action listener constructor.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with action performed. Okay, we left till this point. Okay, so we implemented the action listener. Now we have to write the logic of all the things. So let us start then. Okay, like everyone else is done with their project, but like we should move forward by understanding everything, every line. So we will be continuing doing what we are doing till now. So now I am implementing all the what would happen if I click on the numeric values. Okay. Okay, let me see the chat first. Okay. So no problem, Sandeep, no problem. So let's first discuss this. Let us discuss this only so that the more things will get clear. So whenever I press a button, e dot get source will be getting the value. Okay. Now what we have to do in the text field, I have to set the text. As I've discussed, if I press 1, the text field should represent 1 here. Okay. If I press 2, then 2 should come according in addition, like in as a number with 1. So how to do that? So I am setting the text field text. I am getting the text and concatenating the value of I. For example, if I press 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 should be represented. Not only 1, not only 2, not only 3, not only 4, but like all the things should be represented as a singular entity. So I have to concat every value that I get after that. Okay. Is this thing clear? Let me know. I'm opening the chat. Let me know. Okay. So let us then move forward. This is for all the numbers. Now I should implement this for other things as well. Text field dot get text dot concat. So in this case, I have to concat a decimal to it. Okay. Whenever I press a decimal button, yeah, concat is an inbuilt function. No, concat is in like Java also, na. Concat is an inbuilt function for Java. Get source is some function. Yeah, e dot get source gets the value. It's a function. There's simple function like we have used that also. Okay. So what is the function of decimal button? It provides a decimal. Okay. So we have a decimal at the end of our number. So we're concatenating decimal to the end of our number. Okay, this is done. So add requires two numbers. So let me write. Okay, for addition. Okay, this is it. So do I should I write addition and subtraction and like the similar things and like explain in one go? I think that should be the way because it's like more of a same thing. Can you write full code once till you wrote? I didn't get you what we are saying, but like I guess you are saying ki I should write the full code and then explain. Show your code. Yeah, this is code. It's showing on the screen now. What do you want? Can you show your code till you wrote? I didn't get you. Like but I will get back to you.
Sir, can you please increase the font size a little bit, sir?
Okay, let me try.
Available in the tools section.
Like I know, like I have tried yesterday also, but like there was some issues happening. So tools.
Options in the options last part. Yes. editors, editor
Where
section. Fonts.
fonts? Where did it?
Sir, beside the general icon. Sir.
Okay,
Fonts
here.
and
Okay, sorry.
fonts and plus. Before increase font size.
It's okay now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Now multiply button. Let me copy that. I think. Open this. So can we not print only blank something like num plus? Like you can print num plus. It's up to you. You can do that also. But like blank makes the textual usage more proper because like I don't have the much space. So okay, that's why. Let us do for division then get source. Div button. Sir, can you print try to failed? Okay. Set text to no, but like a text has to be something. So if you type num1 here, na, so num1 as it is will be printed because it's in double quote. The value should not will not be taken as it will taken as a string. Okay. We will discuss that. Like first, let me continue. We're done till divisor button. So let us explain what these 5 things I've written here. What are they doing? So okay, we'll see about it. So if the I press a like decimal button, what will happen? I will concatenate after a digit a decimal sign. So that's okay. What if I press an add button? What will happen? The number that is pressed before the addition button, number 1, I will get the value of that number and store the value in num1. Okay, so num1 will be 7 now, and the operator is plus, and I will clear off the text screen after that. So text screen will be this. Okay, so a number that was before the operator is stored as num1, and then the text field becomes empty, and then number 2 is pressed. Number 2 logic we will be seeing below that, but like this is all that's happening. The number before the operator is getting stored in num1, and a blank screen is returned. Okay, so this is happening till now. We will see what how did we do the operations, and like everything will be clear once we get back past that. So wait a second, like wait 5 or 10 minutes. Now num2 is come. So let's see what happened after num2 comes. Let me type out get text. Okay, after equal to, like when equal to is pressed, it will take the, like I will explain the whole scenario. Just wait a minute. Using the switch statement here. These covers are tested. Now I represent everything on text field. Okay. So let us discuss what has happened. So okay, let me. So as we discussed, whenever I press an operator, like take an example of this example. So before the operator, everything gets stored in num1 as I've discussed, and screen goes blank. Okay. So after the operator, when equal to is pressed, there are only listeners for operator and operator. So equal to is pressed. So what will it do? It will take the digit that is behind it as num2, store it in num2, and make the. It will only take the num2 after the equal to. This is num2, and the operations are done on the basis of switch statement. If the multiplication is between them, the result will store this and then break. And the text field is set to have the result at the end, and num1 is the result. So basically, after everything is done, for example, I have multiplied 7 into 3, that is 21. So this is a new num1. If I like want to do some statements with that, so this is num2, and result will be 63, and this will be new num1. So this will keep on going, that just like it happens in the calculator. If anyone has any doubts in these lines, let me know.
हर्ष, वो जो ऊपर में जो
हेलो
हेलो
या
जो ऊपर में डबल डॉट पार्स डबल जो है उसके बदले हम लोग इंटीजर मतलब
नहीं,
output
पर
में
क्या डबल क्यों है? क्योंकि we have a decimal button ना with us. So whenever a user press a decimal, that's also counted as number 1, and like int can't store decimal values.
नहीं, इसका एक मतलब होता ना वैल्यू अप करके एक फंक्शन है, मतलब कुछ सिंटैक्स है, तो उसको मैं यूज किया था तो कुछ शो नहीं कर रहा था।
तो डबल लेना पड़ेगा आपको।
अच्छा
सर इसमें टेक्स्ट फील्ड डॉट सेट टेक्स्ट और गेट टेक्स्ट सर, तो इसका सर आउटपुट ये स्ट्रिंग दे रहा है या फिर इंटीजर देता है सर? ये
कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे?
हाँ सर, उसमें भी और लाइन नंबर 159 में भी सर इसमें टेक्स्ट फील्ड डॉट
इसमें स्ट्रिंग में वैल्यू स्टोर होगी। स्ट्रिंग में जो रिजल्ट में जो वैल्यू है ना, उसको टेक्स्ट फील्ड में वो दिखाएगा कि टेक्स्ट फील्ड पे ही शो हो रही है ना, तो टेक्स्ट फील्ड इज शोइंग आवर आउटपुट। सो व्हाट विल इट डू? The value that is into the result, make it as a string and store it here.
ओके।
सर मेरे को एक स्टेप बता दीजिए, आपने जो जैसे डिवीजन का लिखा है ऑपरेशन, ठीक है, कोई डिवीजन ऑपरेशन आप मुझे स्टेप बाय स्टेप बता देंगे क्या? लाइक पहले पहले जो टेक्स्ट फील्ड डाला गया वो आपने नंबर में सेव किया, ऑपरेटर कॉल किया, तो इट विल कम टू द स्विच फंक्शन, राइट?
एक तो आपकी आवाज कम आ रही है, मैं दोबारा करता हूँ। ये एक नंबर है 7, and there is an operator in between, and there is an equal to. These two things we have to focus. So whenever I press this, there should be a number before the operator, so that's stored as num1. Okay, and when I press equals, there is a number before equals, that's stored as num2. So these two can form the switch cases according to the operator. Now did you understand now? Hello, chat, can you let me, everyone can, आपकी अभिषेक आवाज कम आ रही है।
Hello sir, I'm saying when you feed the value, num1 will get the value. Okay, after that line number 37 is saying operator equals to the particular operator sign.
Okay,
what will happen at that particular line number 137?
Line number 37, number is stored, and whenever there is an operator call, I have to make the screen empty. Okay, so in this the division button is called, so the operator would be this. So this is helpful in my case statements. How should I know which statement to apply? If I know the operator, then I can only go to that case now.
So once line number 37 will get called, it will switch to line number 154.
Whenever this operator is called, it will switch to line. No, it will go till here. Then when I go to switch statement, that takes operator as an argument. So I have an operator in every this thing. Okay, so the argument as an operator, so the operator here will be passed as divisor, and then this case will be initiated.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We are storing result in num1. Okay, someone asked why we are storing result in num1. So basically, let me take an example. I want to multiply 7 into 3. So this is 21 now. So I want my next thing to get multiplied by 21 only. So I'm storing this into my num1. This was my result of first occurrence, so that I can use it again and again, and just like we can do in the calculator. Okay. So let's go down. So we are done till this point. Okay. Yeah, you can do as many numbers, like how calculate is more than 2 numbers. No, like you have to do it like that. Okay, let me see, let me clear you. So you want to multiply 7 into 3 into 3 na? So it's basic thing, multiply 7 into 3 into 3, so you can get the output. Okay, you can multiply as many numbers you want. That's why num1 is stored as result.
सर
Hello, yeah.
यस अब वो कैसे, मतलब ये कैसे करने आती है, मतलब num1 प्लस num2 किए तो वो इक्वल की वजह हम लोग को प्लस प्रेस करने पे आंसर मिले, फिर उसके आगे प्लस कर
हाँ,
पाए।
तो उसके लिए आपको num3 भी लेना, like num3 लेना पड़ेगा, फिर एक और ऑपरेटर आ जाएगा। वो तो बेस केस रन हो जाएगा, इसमें करके देख लेंगे, एक बार पहले पूरा कर लेते हैं, फिर उस बेस केस को दिखा दूंगा मैं आपको रन करके।
ओके ओके।
हेलो श्रद्धा, एक बार रन कर लेंगे ना, when Vivek will run, I will discuss that also. So let me first complete it, and like then we can run and see. Okay, we will run that and we will see what, like all the things you are saying. Okay. only negative button is left. I am seeing the chat. Please wait a second. Just finishing. Let me see the chat now. So we are done till now here. So clear button, I have to clear everything out. So it's showing, splitting the screen out. For deleting button, what I'm doing, I'm making a string that is on the text field. So I have to delete only one character. So I'm setting the text field as empty, and like I am going to string length -1. So the one character will be removed from the string. Okay. And then in this, I am multiplying it by -1. So the value will be of negative. Do you guys want to ask anything specific to this thing I have done till now? I think it's complete. Let me run it. So yeah, I will scroll up. Wait a second. So let me try to do some calculations. 4, 5, 6 equal to. Oh, it's giving me the output in double format. Okay, let me clear it out. So someone was saying 12 plus 12 plus again 12. So it will take only 2. Okay. Delete is working fine. Negative is working fine. Let's see all the operators if they're working fine or not. 45 minus 23, it's working fine. 89 plus working fine. 89
मल्टीपल हम लोग ये कर सकते हैं क्या?
Hello?
जो आंसर आएगा, हेलो,
Yeah.
जो
ये
आंसर
hello
आएगा, हाँ, जो आंसर आएगा उसको हम लोग नंबर में डाल दे तो।
हाँ, देखो देखो एग्जांपल देखो, जैसे कि देखो हमारा आंसर आया जैसे कि 24 आया. अब हम 24 में if we add 65, it give me 89. So 24 was the result and it's taken as number, so it will keep on going forward. Okay.
हेलो सर,
Yeah.
तो बटन्स पे जो शेड्स आ रहे थे वो तो कहीं नहीं किए कोड में, तो डिफॉल्ट है क्या?
हाँ.
ओके. अगर मतलब ग्राफिक ऐड करना है, मतलब इसे ब्लैक करना है तो ग्राफिक ऐड करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ हाँ. So अपना like this project is complete. If anyone wants to ask anything, you can ask. It's running fine as you can see, and we have implemented everything.
सर कोड में num1 और
This is
num2
4 by
कैसे जा रहा है वो बताइए ना एक बार.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. num1 num2 कैसे जा रहा है? ओके.
हाँ.
तो हमें ये तो क्लियर है कि हम जब भी कुछ प्रेस करेंगे तो वो कैच हो रहा है हमारे आई में. ठीक है, हमने 1 प्रेस किया तो वो 1 आ गया स्क्रीन पे. अब हमने क्या किया, जब भी कोई ऑपरेटर प्रेस किया तो क्या हो रहा है, num1 जो है ना, वो ये जो थिंग आई हैव इन टेक्स्ट फील्ड, ये num1 में स्टोर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ऑपरेटर आया, अब टेक्स्ट फील्ड हो गई एम्प्टी. सो ये तो num1 में स्टोर्ड है. अब हमारा जब इक्वल्स व्हेनेवर आई एनकाउंटर इक्वल्स, सो उससे पहले जो होगा वो स्क्रीन पे वो num2 होगा, क्योंकि स्क्रीन क्लियर हो चुकी थी इस ऑपरेटर के बाद। तो इसको स्टोर, एक सेकंड। तो screen was cleared after this part. So when I press equal to, there is only num2 present on the screen. So it is stored on the variable that the number is here, that is stored as num2. So num1 and num2 comes from here, and like for with the operator that has passed in the constructor in the switch case, I get to know which operation to implement. Okay.
सर और डिलीट बटन वाला भी एक बार बता दीजिए फिर से।
हाँ, डिलीट होता है। तो डिलीट बटन में हमें क्या करना है, अगर हमारे पास 4 5 6 है तो हमें 6 रिमूव करना है खाली, ठीक है। तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इसको स्ट्रिंग में स्टोर कर ले लें पहले, जो भी हमारे टेक्स्ट है हमारे पास स्क्रीन पे। ओके, देन हमें करना है, फिर हमें क्या करना है, इसको टेक्स्ट फील्ड में सेट टेक्स्ट कर दिया एम्प्टी, तो उसके बाद हमें एम्प्टी कर दी स्क्रीन। तो एम्प्टी हमें हर केस में करनी है। तो हमने क्या किया, इसको स्ट्रिंग में स्टोर कर रखा है। तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, स्ट्रिंग डॉट लेंथ -1 तक इसको ट्रेवल करेंगे, बेसिकली लास्ट कैरेक्टर को हम छोड़ देंगे एंड उसको फिर से जाके हम टेक्स्ट फील्ड में सेट कर देंगे एंड ऐड कर देंगे उस कैरेक्टर को, बचे हुए सभी कैरेक्टर्स को ऐड कर देंगे लास्ट को छोड़ के। ओके, so they were asking about a deletion button, so I explained to them that.
Sir, once again in English, deletion button.
Yeah. Which button? Delete button. Okay. So in delete button, what we want to do is, this is a string on the screen. I want to delete a single character. Okay. So one thing I can do is store this thing into a string variable that I have done here. And I can travel the string up to the length of -1. So this character will be removed. And in the text field, I will set the remaining characters again. Okay. So this is what we have done.
Sir, when we press the clear button, the screen should be empty, na, sir?
So screen is empty now. When I press the clear button, the screen text field is set as empty.
Okay.
And even create a separate WhatsApp group, put the link in. And like for you people, you asked about how can we make more projects. So can I stop sharing the screen now as we are done with the project, so that I can discuss more resources with you in the chat section?
सर इसको एक बार GitHub में होस्ट करके दिखा दीजिए कैसे करते हैं।
अच्छा, GitHub में अपलोड करना है, होस्ट करना?
अपलोड तो आता है,
सर
होस्ट में क्या करना है, गिट एक बार अपने में क्या करना है, आपको github.io खोलना है, वहां पे जाके जावा क्लिक करना है, वहां पे अपना प्रोजेक्ट अपलोड करना है, देन रन करना है github.io। मैं लिख देता हूँ आपके लिए, सारे रिसोर्सेज लिख देता हूँ, वहां पे हो जाएगा आराम से। go to github.io।
सर आप एक बार कर देते तो ज्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग अच्छा होता ना, आप एक बार करके दिखा दो एंड टू एंड।
यार वो हो तो जाएगा, मेरे को फिर अपनी इंस्टॉलेशन वो डालनी पड़ेगी, लॉगिन्स वगैरह। तो अगर देखो बात क्या है कि करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अभी मैं रात को भी 11 से एक डाउट सेशन में बैठा हूँ, तो किसी का नहीं होगा तो मैं करा दूंगा। बट लाइक इफ यू ट्राई इट आउट योरसेल्फ, इट विल बी मोर लाइक यू विल सी मोर थिंग्स। आई विल डायरेक्ट टू द स्पेसिफिक प्लेस, सो यू ओके।
नेटलीफाई भी ठीक है क्या? नेटलीफाई
हाँ वो भी ठीक है, बट लाइक github.io ज्यादा यूज करते हैं लोग, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई पॉइंटेड आउट टू यू github.io। And उसके बाद if you guys want to do more projects on Java Swing, like golf, miniature, like many projects, so there is a channel I searched today. So Brocode is a channel. Okay. And for someone who was asking Java, what was it? Java Swing, Java Spring Boot, yeah. Code with Durgesh. Okay. The person has 150 videos and has covered everything. Okay. If you want more resources for like company specific, Microsoft, Amazon, Uber, I can provide you that also if you want. I can provide the link of the career pages. So let me share the links like I have gathered for you. I have to stop share for that. Like I will be opening my WhatsApp account.
Hello, sir. Sir, if we are done with this project, sir, can you please explain the yesterday's project in brief?
Ankita, you can come to me. Like I'm here at doubt session 11 to 1. I will cater your doubts. So
Okay.
no problems. Yeah, I'm there at 11 to 1. So you can come. Okay.
Okay.
I will discuss with you. Okay. So now I'm just sharing the resources, guys. So I think that that are more important. Like I want you guys to perform well. Spring Boot and like Java projects is done for me. Let me share more links to you. Wait a second. Let me open my WhatsApp. I've shared stop shared for some time because I'm opening my WhatsApp web. Just wait a second. Okay. I will be sharing resources for data structures also. So I want everyone have these resources. Just wait a second. I have to exit the ID. Because most of you asked me about the resources. So I gathered some, like I had resources with me before also, but like I gathered some more for you guys only. Wait a second. Front end and back end, I think we have discussed the resources just in yesterday's class. Okay. If I like if someone wants like to know the front end back end resources as well, we can like you can type in the chat or like open your mic and say so. Okay. Let me. हाँ हम वो भी कर देता हूँ एक सेकंड जो पहले अभी जो ढूंढ के लाया था वो कर देता हूँ पहले एक सेकंड copy Abhishek, everyone, I'm sharing all the links. Okay, I have shared like 8-9 links. So let me explain. First is for like all the company's career pages, so that you would require. So there are 60 or 70 career pages mentioned in this link. This is a LinkedIn link. Someone posted and I gathered the information with me. I keep all the information with me because I like to help students out, so I'm a mentor. So first is resources for like 50 or 60 companies that is with their career pages and like उसके अंदर तुम्हें बस एक चीज करनी है. You have to do only one thing. Go to the company career page and pick up a job ID for you. Then you have to go to the LinkedIn and like found a person. You have to send the request to all the persons that works there. If someone accepts your request, you have to do only one thing: ask for a referral. And how to ask for a referral? Let me give you a format also. If I have the referral format, also. Wait a second. Let me give you the referral format also. I am sharing the correct way to approach any person recruiter you want to approach with a job ID. So I am getting you all the methods that are like of utmost importance. So you can replace the name that Arnav Jindal I have written here. You can replace the name with the recruiter you are asking for the referral. Like you can type it at like whatever you like. This is how I approach the recruiters, and like I've been very successful with this approach. So hi, the name of the person you are asking for referral. I have been following the company name. Okay, the company name, like whatever company you are applying to, and like you can copy paste all the things you can, the relevant experience, and like in then your name and contact details. Okay, So this is the format. So first, do one thing. Go to the first link, and then as 50 and 60 company mentioned there. Find any job ID that's relevant to you. Go to the LinkedIn. Approach all the people that works on that company. And this is the format to approach. This if you get like go with this message, you will get like 10-12 replies out of 50. That's my guarantee to you. Okay, so this is how the things works. Second links is for all the companies that are providing work from home currently. So you can check that out also. For some people, I think they want a hybrid and work from home environment. So that's for them. And third is all the questions for the Google, Amazon cheat sheet, the system design things. So these links are very useful. What's a job ID? Okay, Vivek, when you go to a site's career page and you go for a specific job, the job ID is mentioned there. Okay. So if, for example, if you are going for the Amazon SD role, so there is a job ID for every role. Okay. So there is a specific job ID for every role that's open at Amazon and every company. So you have to copy paste that ID, because if I'm referring someone in my company, I require a job ID, okay, for which I'm referring you. So that's the correct way to approach a person. You cannot approach a person, go like, hey, can you refer me to the Amazon? The correct approach is this: write this message, provide the job ID, provide your resume with it, and like then the person will surely like get you a referral. Okay. After that, if someone wants to learn system design, and you should, head first design patterns is a book you can follow. Okay. And you can download the PDF. It's easily available on the internet. If you write head first design pattern PDF, you can download it. Okay. So all the resources is covered. If anyone wants to ask anything about the resources that I've shared, these are important, guys. Just save all the links somewhere. Just copy all the links and share in the doc format. When I erase the meeting, like this will be removed. So I want you keep it with yourself. So if someone wants to ask anything, they can ask. Or
Can you help me out in my logic of previous yesterday's video?
I will help Sandeep. Sandeep, you can join the doubt session for that. I will help you.
In night 11.
Yeah.
I'll be slept there by then.
So you can join in tomorrow morning 11. Okay. Okay. Who are the people I can approach at LinkedIn? So who are people? How can you search for people? To go into the search section of the LinkedIn, type in the company name, and then there will be list. Then you can click on people, and like there will be numerous people out there. Just send an invite to all of them. Okay. If someone accepts your invite, just go with this message I have sent you, and they will help you out. So people help people. So it's a helping world. So everyone loves, like everyone wants to help someone. Okay. So you will surely find someone that will be willing to refer you. So this is the thing I was saying yesterday. Like finding a job is not that difficult if you are going through the right approach. Okay. If you are following the right approach, there is you can find a job in next 10 days. I can guarantee you. If you go to all the sites, Naukri.com, Indeed, FirstNaukri.com, Glassdoor, LinkedIn, and Indeed. So if you go to all of them and spend your 2 hours a day just finding a job, just messaging out people, just contacting the HRs, you will surely get a job in 15 days. I can guarantee you that. So remote jobs roadmap, for example, remote jobs are basically mostly front end, back end jobs. So learn the back end, front end. That's the roadmap for remote jobs. Nothing different. Like you have to know how to approach people, how to find something. There is a good job for everyone that's flying out in the environment. In the environment is a bad word. In the matrix out there. So you have to find it. You have to do your work to find the job also. Freshers के लिए तो data structure से job लगती है, but like if you know dev, it's easier to find a job. Like Java development is also cool, but like if you want a job that's gonna get you that in which you can keep on improving, like Java developers are mostly developers that are working with Java from past 20 years.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. या सर तो हमें एक्यू पे नहीं रहना चाहिए, खुद से सर्च भी करते रहना चाहिए। आई
आपकी आवाज थोड़ी कट गई, फिर तेज हो गई, धीरे बोलना थोड़ी, मतलब थोड़ी स्लो पेस से बोलना।
रहना चाहिए, आप खुद से भी जॉब के लिए करते रहें।
बिल्कुल, दैट्स द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट, लाइक यू शुड लुक आउट फॉर योरसेल्फ. You are in AQ, we know, like we will get you referred, but like you should also look out for yourself. You should also keep on trying. You should not be like that ki I am only supposed to get a job from them, because I know there are plenty of jobs out there. If you try your best for 10 days and like give your 1 hour a day on just finding the jobs, you will surely get 10 to 15 calls. Okay, so that's it from my side. If anyone wants to ask anything, they can ask, or like I can have my dinner. What will you do now? I will eat my dinner first. Then I have to take 11 to 1 doubt session. सर एक जो उसमें भी हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल यार, like there are abundant amount of jobs out there. If you go on like with full intention of finding a job in next 10 days, you can find a job. I am saying that to you. There are abundant amount of jobs. Like you should like as I have seen some people, like they have less knowledge and they are in the Microsoft, Amazon. Like I have given myself the interviews of Amazon, like I stuck at the last rounds 2 times, but like I have seen my friends that like girls that have given only 1 round of interview through the wow, and like they does not know much amount of data structures also. So guys, we reject the thing I have learned, like after reading so much of books for the self development and everything, the thing I have learned from my experience is that we self destruct ourselves. We make ourselves feel low. You should not feel like like many people out there will be feeling ki Microsoft is too big of a company, I can't go there. Google is a too big of a company, I can't go there. So it's not like that. Like the normal people are going there, like people like us are going there. So don't self reject yourself. At least appear in the interview. Like guys, I want one thing from you. If you want to self sabotage yourself, just give me a promise. At least you will appear for the interview. At least you will get rejected from Google. So that's a big thing. To reach there, you have to study. That's completely okay. But like if you go there and get rejected, you will get accepted by many companies also. But like you should go there at least. You should not self sabotage yourself. Ki I will never get into Google or Microsoft. I did that to myself also. But like all of us do that. But like I want you to know, I have been people like my peers, they're mostly in like Amazon, Microsoft kind of companies, Uber, and they do not have a knowledge that like out of this world, but like they're too intelligent, like they are like us only. But they never frown upon themselves, they never self sabotage themselves. They just go and like do the thing they want to do. Okay, they do not worry about like this company is too big for me or something like that. They just go and do this thing, do their thing, they apply. Like we self sabotage too much that we didn't even care to apply. They apply. First thing that is most difficult for all of us, they apply, they prepare, and they don't don't think about failure. They just keep on moving forward. If my friend, I have a friend that get rejected for 4-5 Mang companies, and he's selected in Amazon Dublin now, 1.8 CR package. Okay, so if you get rejected, apply to more companies. There is a company out there, like the person who created 1.8 crore package, he told me that if you like do not perform well in a company interview, everything that is written in your resume is a lie to them. But if you perform well in a company, everything that is written in your resume, even that if isn't a lie, they don't care about it. Okay, so you just need only one chance. If you get rejected by 99 companies and you get accepted by one, that one company thinks you are accepted by, you know everything. So don't feel like demised or anything like that. You just need one shot. So shoot 1,000 of arrows. Only one arrow has to land on target, not the 1,000, all of them. Okay. How to build confidence? Confidence. There is nothing. I don't believe in the thing like confidence. Confidence is temporary. Just be constant at everything you do. If you are constant, you do not need confidence, my friend. Just be constant, and like consistency is most important thing. If you're consistent at anything, confidence does not matter. You should know how to fool people in this world. That's the thing. I read a book by an author. So everyone is fooling, someone is fooling someone at every point. Okay. Like you are going to an interviewer asks you a question that you know, and interviewer thinks you know everything, but like you're fooling him now by leading him to that question. So this world is a game of everyone fooling everyone. So you have to be good at fooling, you can say. You have to be a person that everyone believes. Everyone is a believer of you. Whatever you say, the next person believes, even if that is a lie. You have to be quite subtle with the words that everyone believes you, and that comes with the calmness and consistency in you. So be consistent, be calm, don't panic in any situation. Okay. So if like I think we are done with the session, and like we had a good pep talk. So guys, I wish you the best, and like go out there and like have some fun, guys. You should go for all the packages. Why don't we, how, like don't classify companies with the packages, guys. I like high package does not guarantee you a good work experience and like good environment. Like, but I am a firm believer of applying to all the companies. Then you can select whatever you want, but like you should apply to all of them now, so that you can know the process.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
सर जो अभी अपडेटेड कोड था वो आपने सेंड कर दिया?
अपडेटेड कोड मैं आपको गिटहब लिंक अभी देता हूँ, कल वाला गिटहब लिंक है, उसमें ही है,
उसी में अपडेट कर दिया आपने?
हाँ
सर आपका गिटहब लिंक वापस से भेज दीजिए, बिकॉज़ आई डोंट हैव।
हाँ सर, बिकॉज़ आई फॉर
ओ भेजता हूँ।
सर एक ही जनरली होता है इंटरव्यू में, लाइक आप कोई सर्टेन पैकेज रखते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल 6 LPA का आपके पास पैकेज है करंटली, और आप नेक्स्ट कंपनी में अप्लाई करते हैं, तो दे विल आस्क फॉर यू अ पैकेज, व्हाट करंट पैकेज यू आर हैविंग, एंड देन आफ्टर दे इंक्रीमेंट अ सर्टेन 1 लाख to 2 लाख, एंड दे
सो उस केस में आप क्या कर सकते हो, लाइक थोड़ा अनएथिकल है। जब आपको कंपनी आपका करंट सीटीसी पूछ रही है, आप झूठ भी बोल सकते हो, उसमें कुछ है नहीं, वो आपसे डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं मांगते। तो अगर आपको लग रहा है कि पर आप अभिषेक आपकी हाँ हेलो
तो सर जैसे हम अपने
देखो अभी तो आप फ्रेशर हो ना, तो इसमें इतना मत घुसो, आप अपना जो भी आपको कंपनी अच्छी लग रही है ना उसको ज्वाइन करो, अपने मल्टीपल मतलब हर कंपनी में अप्लाई करो, छोटी बड़ी मत देखो।
हम रिज्यूमे में ऐड करते हैं लैंग्वेज, जैसे अब जावा पे मोस्टली वर्क करते हैं तो जावा अच्छे से आती है, बट मैं इससे पहले C++ पे काम करता था, तो मैं रिज्यूमे में बिकॉज़
देखो एक रेज्यूमे के लिए भी मैं आपको बताता हूँ, एक ओवरलीफ करके आता है, ओवरलीफ पे रेज्यूमे बनाओ। वहां पे आप क्या कर सकते हो, अपनी स्किल्स में जब लिखोगे ना तो देयर विल बी 5 स्टार्स 4 स्टार्स एंड 3 स्टार, तो 5 स्टार में C++ भी डाल दो, जावा भी डाल दो। अगर आप जावा में थोड़ा कम कंफर्टेबल हो उसको 4 स्टार में डाल दो। ओके, तो ऐसे कर सकते हो।
एक वो बना दे स्केल,
हाँ
स्केल टाइप कि ये मेरा 50% है, 7% है,
हाँ ऐसे स्केल बन जाता है। ओके चलो मैं आप कल क्लास को साइन ऑफ कर देता हूँ, मैं खाना खा लेता हूँ। ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। लिंक्स को सेव कर लेना यार गाइस, जिसने नहीं किए हैं सारे, और लाइक आई हैव लाइक टोल्ड यू द वे। so that if anyone faces any difficulties, like I am here for you. Like if you guys need referral in Amazon, Microsoft, Google, I can help you out. Okay.
सर हमें ओवरराइड
मोहित आपकी वॉइस बहुत ज्यादा वो हो रही है, कट रही है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं है। हेलो, आपके पास वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है मोहित, मेरे को सुन नहीं रहा ढंग से। योर डिस्कस लिंक्डइन आईडी, मैं आपको नहीं है, मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर ले लो यार। मैं नहीं है अभी, सोशल प्लेसेस ज्यादा यूज नहीं कर रहा व्हाट्सएप के अलावा। मेरे फोन में कुछ भी नहीं है अभी, सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप है, तो व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर देना अगर किसी को कुछ पूछना हो तो। तो गाइज मैं चलता हूँ फिर। हैव अ गुड नाइट, हैव अ गुड स्लीप, and like no you can contact me whenever you like feel. Okay, so I'm ending the meet guys. Override is nothing, जब वो होते हैं ना, ये कॉल होते हैं एक्शन लिस्टनेस वगैरह, तो वो अलग कोड होता है, तो उसको पिछले कोड से अलग होता है, इसलिए वहाँ पे ओवरराइड लिखा आता है। नहीं, क्लास में जावा में होता है हमेशा, ये सिंटेक्स होता है। तो ठीक है, चलो फिर मिलते हैं, डाउट सेशन में मिलते हैं अगर किसी को डाउट है, या आज रात को या कल सुबह भी आ सकते हो 11 बजे। अपने लिंक्स सेव कर लिए होंगे सबने, आई थिंक सो। इफ एवरीवन हैज सेव्ड द लिंक्स, आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ। बाय गाइस, गुड नाइट, हैव अ गुड डे। या मॉर्निंग टाइम आई एम अवेलेबल आल्सो। ओके गाइस, बाय।